One more time to do a video. Look at the girls. This is Sammy and Rosie from Juliet and Jasmine's litter, and they have their cabbage cores. Jeb, their older half-brother, loves the cabbage. He begs for it. He tries to kill it and then eat it, but I tell him it's already there. It's already dead. He doesn't have to kill it. Anyway, so Jeb got some cabbage and they wanted some too, so I gave them the core to chew on. It's good for their teeth. They're not going to get choked. Mama Judy's right here beside them. She'll jump up if anything goes wrong. Rosie just walks up and she takes Sammy's cabbage core, walks away with it, and Sammy she doesn't mind too much about anything. What is this? Two girls eating their cabbage cores. Whoops. Sammy wants that cabbage core, Rosie. So just bite me off another hunk.